Okay, so I have a unit circle drawn out here. I didn't fill in the rest of the angles because I didn't want this to get really, really busy. But if I actually find the unit circle, it's got a lot of information on there. But one thing we still need to put on here and address is the radians. I've actually got a trick to help you memorize the radians. For quadrant 1, I'm just going to tell you to memorize them. You can email me or vice versa or ask me, but there is a way I can show you to actually learn quadrant 1. But it's still going to be a trick that you have to memorize. So it's just easier just to memorize them. Well, 0 degrees will always be 0 radians. Easy enough. 30 degrees is going to be pi over 6. 45 degrees is pi over 4. And 60 degrees is pi over 3. I would simply say memorize those. Memorize them, memorize them, memorize them. Okay. So, with our symmetries, we know that this is going to be something over 3. Based on that rectangle, we come down. This one's also going to be something over 3. And this one's going to be something over 3. With our symmetry again, this is over 4. So we know this is going to be something over 4, something over 4, something over 4. And then right here, this is something over 6, something over 6, and something over 6. All right, now we're going to figure out the something. Well, here's a rule. Well, here's the trick to it. In quadrant 2, it is going to be your 1 minus your denominator. So they all have pi in it. So let's fill that out. Pi, oop, I forgot this one. This is going to be something over 3 because I put it in there. So they're all going to have pi in it. Now, it's pretty easy. Quadrant 2, 1 minus the denominator. Well, this becomes 3 minus 1. This becomes 2. This is 4 minus 1 becomes 3. 6 minus 1, this becomes 5. So this is 2 pi over 3, 3 pi over 4, and 5 pi over 6. This right here, you just have to memorize your axes. That's pi. This one, no clue. Well, no trick to it. Just memorize your axes. This is pi over 2. This other axis right here is going to be 3 pi over 2. The things you're going to have to memorize is the x and y axis, your angles, your degrees, and the points are pretty straightforward because it's the radius of a circle. In quadrant 1, you just want to get quadrant 1 memorized, and I'm going to show you a trick here on the next video on how to actually, that'll help you with these points in quadrant 1 by using your left hand. All right, so quadrant 3 is going to be 1 plus your denominator. So this becomes 6 plus 1, this is 7. 4 plus 1, this is 5. 3 plus 1, this is 4. So this is 7 pi over 6, 5 pi over 4, 4 pi over 3. Now we have 3 pi over 2. Quadrant 4 is your primes going from starting at 5. So 5, 7, 11. So 5, 7, 11. So this becomes 5 pi over 3, 7 pi over 4, and 11 pi over 6. So these are your prime numbers. And really, if you look here, you have 3, 5, 7, 11. These are all prime right here, starting at your axis. So that's how you can fill out your radians. Fairly straightforward. Just going to take a little bit of practice to kind of get where all these radians are and what the degree equivalent is. The unit circle will help you out once you have it memorized. Hi, I'm Mr. Buzzard, and these videos are supplemental instruction for my students. If you found the video enjoyable, make sure you click the like button and click subscribe, as well as the bell for notifications to receive future videos on high school mathematics.